welcome back in my class. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is India Political. So in my next video I have explained you about India and its physical division. Now in this video we are going to learn about India and political. Okay. So I have shown you here India's map. So this division of map is called political division of map. So basically in this map you will able to see all 28 states, okay, and union territories also, and they have denoted with a different color. Every state is denoted with a different color, okay, so that you can easily recognize that what these places are. Okay, so my dear students, as we are, India is located in the south part of Asia. Okay, that means if you see the entire globe, पूरा globe अगर आप देखोगे, ठीक है, तो उसमें जो इंडिया है वो साउथ के पार्ट पे लोकेट है. ओके, एशिया के साउथ पार्ट पे लोकेट है. And here we have some neighboring countries. Okay, so some neighboring countries are first Sri Lanka. Feel able to see Sri Lanka, south part of India. Then when we come in the north part, then we have China. This whole part is your China. Okay. Then we have in the north we have this Nepal. Okay. And then in northeast we have Bhutan, then we have Bangladesh, okay, and then we have Myanmar. We have in the east west side of India we have Pakistan here, then we have Afghanistan, and upper we have I think so Tajikistan. Okay, so these are the neighbors of India, neighboring countries of India. Okay, so if someone asks you that name some neighboring countries of India, so you should be in quick that in south we have Sri Lanka, in north we have China, Nepal, and in northeast we have Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bhutan. In west side we have Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tajikistan. Okay, so all these places, all these countries are our neighbor countries. Okay, so now we are going to start with the this political division of India. Okay, so India is divided by 28 states and 8 union territories. Union territories. Okay. Earlier we have 29 states and 7 union territories. Now we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So 28 states are, I'm going to start from north. Okay, so it will take a little time, but you should know each and every state of India. You should be aware. If you are not I'm not saying that you should be पूरा सब कुछ आना चाहिए इंडिया के बारे में, but you should know a little bit that yes, we have these 28 states. Okay, so first we have this Jammu and Kashmir, then we have Himachal Pradesh, then we have Punjab, then we have Uttarakhand, then we have Haryana, then we have Uttar Pradesh, then this part is your Rajasthan, middle Madhya Pradesh, here Gujarat, then we have Maharashtra, then we have Bihar, then we have West Bengal, then we have Jharkhand, then we have Gangtok here. Okay, so this part is your Gangtok, Sikkim. Sorry, this part is your Sikkim. Then we have this is your Meghalaya. This is your Assam. This whole part is your Assam. Then you have Arunachal Pradesh. Then you have Nagaland. Then you have Imphal. Then you have Aizawl. Then here you have Agartala. Okay, and here you have West Bengal. So these are the north east part. Okay, and northwest Rajasthan, Gujarat. Okay, and in the middle we have Madhya Pradesh. Then this Chhattisgarh, we have Jharkhand. Here we have West Bengal. I have already told you. Then this part is your Odisha. Okay, then this is your Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are your 28 states. Okay, and here they have given its capital also, but I'm not going to now say that these are their capitals. Okay, so this is your work. Now you have to find not states. Okay, only not states. Write 10 not state. Okay, and with their capitals. That means you can say Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. These are all come under your north part. Okay, and you have to write 10 states, north east states name and their capital. Okay, so this was basically about a little bit of political divisions, and you can say yes, political of India. Now we are going to learn about government. Okay, now government is very important. Government of India. Government is very important, beta. Why government is important? Because if we are not ruled or we are not governed by a government, then everybody in this country will apply their own rules. We will have, we will hate each other, we will hate each other. We are going to be in a very messy condition. Okay, so that is why as in India, diverse people, diverse kind of people live here. We have all religions accepted in India. Okay, तो अगर हम एक देश में इतने अलग अलग तरह के लोग रह रहे हैं, तो अगर उनको गवर्न करने के लिए अगर कोई रिप्रेजेंटेटिव नहीं होगा, कोई रूल्स नहीं होंगे, कोई रेगुलेशंस नहीं होंगे, दैट मीन्स we will be in a very messy condition. Okay, so it is very important to have a government. Okay, what is government? Government is a small group of people, okay, who run the country. What is government? It is a small government is a small group of people who run the country. छोटा सा ग्रुप होता है गवर्नमेंट का जो पूरे देश को चलाती है. ठीक है, एंड गवर्नमेंट इज चूजन बाय द पीपल. ओके, एंड इट इज बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल एंड ऑफ द पीपल. So now this government is divided into three main parts. So what are those parts? Government divided into three main parts. Okay. Number one, we have central government. Central government. Now, what is the work of central government, my dear students? It looks after the entire country. Okay, it looks after the entire country. Means, if for example, if we have a sudden earthquake, so the rescue, all the basic materials, basic food necessities, who will provide us? The central government. Okay, so central will work for entire country, for the well-being of entire country, पूरे country के लिए, ठीक है, work करेगा central government. Then we have number second, we have state government. State government. Now, what is the work of state government? It looks after state only. State only. That means state के अंदर, okay? अभी यहाँ पे मैं I'm not talking about the entire country. I'm talking about only a particular state. Okay? For example, केरला है. Suppose that here Kerala. अब यहाँ पे because of the sea bridges, तो यहाँ पे सुनामी आ गई, ठीक है? तो इस स्टेट में, सिर्फ इस स्टेट में जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, जितनी परेशानी होंगी, जितनी नीड्स होंगी, ठीक है? तो वो कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा उन्हें? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करेगी, ठीक है? लोगों को कौन देखेगा? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट देगी, ठीक है? तो दैट इज व्हाई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज मेड. Because my dear students, it is not possible for the central government to look after the entire country. ठीक है, पूरी country के को नहीं देख सकती एक साथ, ठीक है? Because we have 28 states और 28 states के अगर हम affairs देखें या उनके matters देखें या उनके हर एक चीज़ देखें तो central government को बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा काम करने में, ठीक है? So what they have done, they have divided their work to the state government, ताकि स्टेट में अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो हमारे जो जो हमारे मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, गवर्नर्स होते हैं, वो देख सके कि क्या काम है, and they look after their state. Okay, so if new schools have to be open, new hospitals have to be open and roads have to be repaired, ठीक है? तो सारे फंड जो है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से हेल्प फंड मांगेगी. ओके, सो जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स है, परेशानी अगर स्टेट में आती है तो दैट हु विल लुक? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट विल लुक. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड इज local government. Local government. This local government is also important. अब क्या है? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने अपना काम दिया, थोड़ी अपना काम कम करने के लिए स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, ठीक है? अब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने क्या, स्टेट भी अगर आप हमारे देखोगे इन इंडिया में, अगर आप स्टेट देखें तो हमारे एक स्टेट बहुत बड़े हैं, एरिया वाइज भी बड़े हैं एंड पॉपुलेशन वाइज भी बड़े हैं, ठीक है? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट टू लुक आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी city, every village of the state. So what they have done? They have introduced a new government, that is local government. Now what this local government will do? It looks after village, cities and towns. तो जो छोटे छोटे गांव है, शहर है, सिटीज है, ठीक है, इनको कौन देखेगी? लोकल गवर्नमेंट देखेगी. अब लोकल गवर्नमेंट में भी बेटा दो चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, तो वो दो चीजें क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? एक है हमारी म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, ओके, और म्युनिसिपैलिटी. देन वी हैव ग्राम पंचायत. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट who are the important people in local government? Municipal corporation, municipality and gram panchayat. Okay, so now I am going to explain you that what is the work of municipal corporation, what is the work of municipality and what is the work of gram panchayat. So my dear students, I was telling you about the municipal corporation, municipality and gram panchayat and how they work. Okay, so number one, municipal what is the word? They look after the cities, big cities. Okay, they look after big cities. बहुत बड़ी बड़ी सिटीज को होती है, ठीक है, उन्हें देखते हैं। और इनका काम क्या है? What is their work? So they collect tax। टैक्स सब लोग टैक्स भरते हैं, हम लोग भी कहीं ना कहीं टैक्स भरते हैं। हाउ वी आर इनडायरेक्टली गिविंग टैक्स टू द गवर्नमेंट by, for example, if you are buying a small packet of biscuit, okay, and in that biscuit if it is of 5 rupees, तो उस वहाँ लिखा होता है कि MRP ₹5 and और उसमें ये भी लिखा होता है कि इतने पैसे आप दे रहे हो, लाइक 2 रुपये उसमें आपको एक्स्ट्रा आप दे रहे हो अपनी तरफ से, ठीक है। 10 रुपये का अगर वो 8 रुपये का है तो हम 10 रुपये देते हैं, यानी कि 2 रुपये जो हम एक्स्ट्रा दे रहे हैं वो क्या है? हमारा टैक्स है, और वो हम डायरेक्टली गवर्नमेंट को नहीं दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट वी आर पेइंग इट एज इनडायरेक्टली, ठीक है। तो ये क्या करती है? टैक्स करती है, टैक्स कलेक्ट करती है, हेल्थ सेंटर्स बनाती है, हेल्थ सेंटर्स बनाती है, हेल्थ सेंटर्स में हॉस्पिटल्स बनाना, ठीक है, या अगर कहीं प्रॉब्लम है, रोड्स रिपेयर करवाने हैं तो वो सब करवाना, और ट्रांसपोर्ट का काम देखती है, looks after transport and many more work. So these are the small works which are looked after by the municipal corporation. Okay. Now the second thing is municipality. क्या है दूसरी चीज? Municipalities. Now they are also looked after by cities, or you can say towns, okay, and they look after the facilities of the people. काम क्या है इनका? सेम काम है, it is not a different from municipal corporation से different नहीं है, but slightly different. क्या है? They look after the facilities. We are talking about the facilities of the people, यानी कि हम लोगों की जरूरत, ठीक है, हमारी क्या जरूरत है वो ये लोग देखते हैं। कौन देखते हैं? म्युनिसिपैलिटी। ओके, नाउ दिस म्युनिसिपैलिटी the state is now divided into a small district, or you can say villages. So there who were gram panchayat, okay, so ग्राम पंचायत का बेटा काम क्या है? They look after the village, they look after villages. अब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका स्टेट है हिसार, ठीक है, अब हिसार में बहुत छोटे छोटे गांव ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे स्टेट की गवर्नमेंट नहीं पहुँच सकती, ठीक है, तो उन्होंने क्या किया है? उन्होंने क्या कर दिया? ग्राम पंचायत उन्होंने चुन लिया। अब ग्राम पंचायत के अंडर में भी 10 स्मॉल विलेजेस होते हैं, 10 गांव होते हैं, ठीक है, जिनको वो देखती है, जिनके लिए वो काम करती है। ओके, तो ये जो ग्राम पंचायत है इनका काम क्या है? नाउ दे लुक आफ्टर द विलेजेस, हाउ दे लुक, अगर हेल्थ सेंटर खुलवानी है तो दे ओपन दैट, ओके, दे अप्लाई और दे गेट फंड फॉर दैट, ओके, स्कूल्स ओपन करवानी है, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो रोड्स रिपेयर करवानी है, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें, पानी नहीं आ रहा है गांव में, ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है कौन देखता है? ग्राम पंचायत देखता है। ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, this was all about your India and political government, I mean India and politics. Okay, so we have learned about the 28 states. Okay, then we have learned the 3 type of government. Okay, I will give you a small example of government, how you can recall it. Central government, just say that consider your school as a state, sorry, your school as a country. Okay, central government is your principal sir, state government is your vice principal sir, and this gram panchayat is your teachers. Okay, so now you know that what is the work of principal sir, what is the work of vice principal sir, and what is the work of teachers. Okay, so from with the help of this example, you can understand the central government, the state government, and the gram panchayat. Okay, local government. So these are this is how you can understand it in a better way. Now I am going to meet you in my next video. If you have any queries, any problem, you can leave a comment, you can write a message. Okay, and for the time being, thank you.